Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Anna. Welcome in flower making tutorial. Yes, today I will be making these poinsettia flowers. Let me just bring you a little bit closer so you can see better. Here they are. So let me introduce you to the products what I will be using to make those poinsettias. So I will be working with the newest Lady E Design Poinsettia 2 die set. And to make my poinsettia, I will need one layer of the smallest die and two layers of the middle die with the grooves and one without. I will be working with interfacing fabric. I also will use Artisa drawing pad paper, which is 130 GSM. I have another tutorial using this paper. If you fancy check it out, I will link it in the description box below. Now let's get started. So my first layer is the smallest element, then the middle layer is from interfacing fabric, and the third and fourth layer, the second die from the set with the grooves on. And I will be inking with a weathered wood distress oxide ink. Mainly I'm concentrating on the edges of the petals. So I'm gently dabbing my blending tool into the ink pad and smooshing on my paper. So this is the effect I'm receiving. Okay, and the same process I will repeat on the third layer of my paper. There we go, like so. Now I'm inking only on the top layer only of the dies. I'm not inking at the bottom layer. So now I will need to shape my petals. So I will be working on old towel. You can use kitchen towel, you can use sponge for you. So I'm squirting one squirt of water on each of a layer, and when the paper starts absorbing water, it will start curling up. So you need to just wait a few seconds for that. And when the paper starts curling like this, then the petal is ready to shape. So I'm bringing my embossing tools and using these two sizes of balls, just pressing on each of a petal like so, then switching onto the smaller size of a ball and pressing in the center like that. Repeating the same process, so just press once on each petal and then turn it upside down and press in the center. There we go. And the last layer. And now you can leave your paper to air dry, or you can use heat tool. Remember, when you're working with certain appliances, when producing a heat, just be careful, don't burn yourself. So I'm just quickly drying my layers, like so. And then I will move on to the next step. Those flowers are very simple to make. You know that I like to keep the tutorials very simple, very easy to follow. So the next step, I need to make a holes in the center of my layers, and that will be easy for me to pull the stamens through. So I need to make a hole on the first, second and third layer. So I have my stamens. I'm using this silver pearly stamens. You can find them in the 14 Craft Bar store, which you will find in the description box below. I will link you their shops if you fancy shopping. So I need only 3 stamens. So I'm just positioning them on the wire like so. And starting with the top layer. So I'm just pushing my stamens through like so, and adding a small amount of a hot glue to position my stamens. Now you have to forgive me because I have a new camera stand and I'm going off a little bit off camera. I'm just trying to work out where I supposed to keep my hand, so bear with me. By the next video is recorded, I should know where I am with that. So you can always remove the glue strings if that does bother you. So now I'm bringing my second layer. This one is with the fabric, interfacing fabric. This is the fabric what you're using to iron on your clothes, for example, when you want to shorten your trousers. This is the fabric. So now I'm adding a little dot of a glue just to seal the layers together. Okay. Coming on with a third layer. And remember to position your petals between you seal the layers, so your flower will be nice and round, will have a nice look. Okay, so just a small glue between the layers to seal them together, like so. Now I will chop off the excess of my stamens and will bring my fourth layer to my final poinsettia. There we go. So adding a small amount of a glue and then pushing in the center like so, so my layers will seal together nicely. And this is pretty all. You can leave it like this, or you can take it a little bit further like I did. So I'm bringing gel medium. I'm using the Crafty Workshop gel medium. It's a really nice medium. It's soft, it dries quick, and it dries clear. Doesn't leave any yellow stains like some could do. So I'm applying a medium in few places like so, and I'm bringing artificial snow. So sprinkle a little bit of a snow on few places where I think it will look good. Tap off the excess of my artificial snow like so, and then I'm bringing glitter as well. Give you a little bit of close-up how it looks so far. I like this glitter from the Works. It's really nice fine glitter and it's a white, so I would recommend you to grab something like this. There we go. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit of a glitter, tap off the excess, and here it is. My poinsettia is ready. So let me bring you the whole bunch of them so you will see them closer. There we go. So you can carry on and work as many poinsettias as you want. So let me recap the products with you. So it's Lady E Design Dine Poinsettia number 2, the fabric, interfacing fabric, and also Artisa drawing pad 130 GSM. So I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Just the last close-up look for my flowers. And that's everything from me today. Thanks very much. Till the next time. Bye for now.